For the connection, just now Mr. Kelvin already told me you can go to the workspace and option, then plug in. You choose the clear form, VxProbe and VxScan. Apply and then OK. This choose only first time using. Next time, tomorrow afternoon, no need because it's the first time setting. After that, you open the inspector. Now you have two icons for connection. Let me see. Left hand side, this one is probe. This one is scanner. Okay. Oops, just now. Yeah. Okay, it's up there. Okay. For connect the probe, you go this way. Is the you choose the clear form VxProbe, and then click on the icon. But you have to plug in first, connect first. For the scan, it's not here, but it's above. Here, plug in, clear form and VxScan.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why is it not on the scan button? What is the reason?
It's from the developer.
Oh, okay.
Actually, for all the hardware is here.
Yeah.
But I don't know why clear form special. Special
yeah.
up there.
You know, for people who use PolyWorks, they
yes,
will
they
expect
look at here.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
So you said you are special.
Okay, I tell my company.
Okay. For the icon first. This one is new project, open project, save project, and undo the one by one. But this one undo all the movement. Like you have how many clicks to view the picture, you just undo one time. It will redo all. Okay. This one is the option, many things inside, maybe later. This one import. In PolyWorks we have 3 types of file. First one is point cloud. When you scan, it's just a point. Okay, I will show you how to. When I import the point cloud, it's in PolyWorks is a PSL, but we can import a text file or any surname that we support. It's here, or the supported file. This is the point cloud. It's a dot, and each dot has the XYZ inside. Next is a polygonal model, or the mesh, or the STL that you scan.
The point cloud doesn't have a factor, right? It's just XYZ, that's all. Right?
No IJK.
No IJK, that's fine. Okay. Just out of you.
Actually, it has an IJK inside.
Okay.
Depends on the hardware that scan. This one is polygonal model. If you look like this, it looks like a 3D CAD, but actually it's not a 3D. We can view by wireframe like this. This is the mesh already, from point to point as a triangle mesh. So we call it a polygonal model. Last one is a 3D CAD. IGS or step file is no option. But if you use the CATIA, UG, SolidWorks, is the optional. You need to buy the translator. This is a 3D CAD inside. From 2000 starting from 2018, all CAD imported will be in gray color.
Oh.
But if you feel like you cannot see, you can change by double click the name and choose any color that you want. Okay, you can notice now if you import the CAD, it will go inside the reference topic. But if you import point cloud or STL, it will be under the data. Okay, this is 3 types import from PolyWorks. Next is about the reference object. Normally when you import CAD, by default from PolyWorks, surface tolerance is 0.5. But if you want to change the tolerance when you compare the color map, this is the icon for you to change plus or minus. Normally it's a 0.5. But if you want it to change or use specific area like spacebar and click, only this area you just assign at like 0.2 and then assign. There will be 2 tolerance in one CAD.
How do you set the default tolerance value?
By default is a I'm not sure, but it's already in the default is 0.5.
Yeah.
But if you want to like setting since the first time,
yeah,
we need to change in the in the option, in the object reference CAD model, this one. Object reference CAD model, and inside the CAD model there will be 0.5 tolerance. You just change. But when you import, you need to click this one as a nerve surface. So right now the default is in the tessellated surface. Okay, next is data objects. This one is used for sometimes customer scan as a point cloud. They want to mesh into polygonal model. I just click on the data scan here, point cloud, and then click the data objects and create polygonal data object. Means that change the like point cloud to STL. Oops. I will continue later about this. Just show the icon first.
Sure.
Next is the alignments.
Yeah.
Many methods for PolyWorks. Okay, after this we will learn step by step for why we have to use this one, why we have to use this one. This one is the move the coordinate system of the CAD. Normally when CAD import, they from design. But if we want to change to another place, XYZ0, we can use this icon. This one is the color map. Means that you compare the surface between CAD and data scan.
About changing the origin, the alignment, right? You can use that on the STL file as well, right? It's perfectly fine. Or
Can.
both. Okay.
But you must have actually many methods for moving.
Okay. Without CAD.
Without CAD can. Next is the feature. All the features inside geometric design, something like plane, line, point, square, ellipse, cylinders, cone, something like this. So normally it's here, but for easy using, I just customize it here. Next is a cross section. This one is for cutting the part in the 2D view. This icon is comparison point. Comparison point, many methods. The common one is the surface. Second one is the trim line or trim edge. Comparison point on the cross section. This one is on the hem. When you hem the part, you just check the comparison point. This one is the caliper, like a vernier. This one is a reference target. When you lock the target by use the features. This one is a geometry control. This icon is open and close or edit all the parameter of the feature that you select. This is the extract from the point cloud. Okay. We will continue later in detail. This one is the control view. A new icon for 2019. Actually, it's the camera and table, but automatic generate the control view for you. This one is a new piece, means that you already create first one, you save, and then you can run the second piece. This is the icon for run, like play inspection, probe, or scan. This is a sequence editor. In case, normally we use this with a CNC CMM. But in case you move the device, this one is also good for arrange the sequence, like you're pre-writing a program.
Okay.
You put the sequence inside. You record what you are doing.
Oh, okay. So it's a macro then?
Not macro.
The instruction, step 1, step 2, step 3.
Yes.
So the user will say, oh, step 1, step 2, step
Yes.
2. Oh.
Actually, it's inside of the play inspection, but this one you can see what is running, and you can change. You can swap, something like that.
Okay.
This is a SPC icon. You have to measure more than one piece, and then SPC will come out. Okay, a little bit more. In case you're not familiar with the mouse for the first using, the first icon is the standard. Left click rotation, right click zoom, middle click translation. Shift and right click is the rotate along the axis. But in case you are not familiar with the PolyWorks for first time, you can select one by one. This one rotate only, translation only, zoom only, and this one is rotate along axis only. This one special zoom, like you zoom box. This one. Suppose you zoom like this, too close or too far, you can use this icon, center all the object to the screen like this. Okay, I go back to the standard one. This one is also good for user to view. Shift F1 to F6, or you can press the keyboard. Shift F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6.
With shift, right?
With shift, yes. Hold the shift key and then press F1 to 6. You can also move the part by the we call the ISO view, like this. If you want the top view, this view is a Z plus. You just click on the surface. This view perpendicular to the screen. Next icon is a normal view. Suppose when I create any plane here, and then I click here, it's view top view of the plane. Next, this one already center the object on the screen. This one is the center what I select. Suppose I have one point here like this and I cannot see. I click point 1 left hand side and then click finger here. This will show for me where is it. Next is about the vision, I mean the visibility. Okay. First one is hide or restore, means hide or show the cap. Click one time show or one time hide. This one data scan, data probe. See, this is data. This is a hide, restore or object like this. This is a feature. In case you have many features, you click this hide or show. If you have a cross section, also the same. This one is for hide or show in one time. But if you want to hide or show like interactive, I mean one by one, you just use the middle click of the mouse, click on the name like this, one by one. Want to hide one by one or show one by one like this. But if you use the eye, means close all, restore all. Next is the object display. The point size you can change if you cannot see the point. Suppose this one. I increase the point size at 5. You can see clearly. This is the line width, means that you cut the section. You need the line of the section bigger, something like that. This one will be later. This one, grid, means you have the grid inside your screen. Like this, not alignment yet. Pointer coordinates means your mouse will become the X, Y, Z when you click. This will show you where is it, X how much, Y how much. Is the roughly. Okay. This one to show or restore, I mean show or hide the color map in case you have the color map. This one edit the color scale. This one is move the annotation. This one, when I click this one, I can move this one. This is a move annotation. But by latest 2018, we can just put the mouse on the annotation. You will see this one. Just click. So no need to come here too far. You just put your mouse on here and then move. We have more than just move. We can lock, we can edit the annotation. Maybe later a lot. Okay. This one is for selection. Like we select this one, it will automatically select on the left hand side for you. If I click here, it will switch here for me. Okay, that's all for the icon.